Hey, Skyler here from the Changeyoucanwear. Today we're going to be making a pretty unique ring. A friend of mine goes to Israel pretty regularly, and he brought me back a big old chunk of dirt. It comes from Mount Arbel, just above the Sea of Galilee. He also brought me back a piece of this. This is actually, must be a little trinket or something that they must sell over there, but it's made out of olive wood. And the coin I was going to be using is this Israeli coin that I found. I actually had a customer send me one of these to make into a ring. I was like, wow, that's a pretty cool ring. So I went and ordered my own, and we're going to be using it for this ring. All right, let's get into it. So first things first, I decided to go ahead and sand this thing down first and then get it stabilized and turn it into more or less a blank we can use. And I'm going to be doing it outside because I'm tired of dusting out my shop every time I do wood projects. So, all right, so I'm going to flatten it, round it out. Unless we want to make a heart-shaped ring.
3, 2, 1.
Nah. Alright, now we have our olive wood all cut down to ring blank size, and we need to stabilize it so that way we can put it on a ring and it'd be, you know, water resistant and stronger. So in order to do that, we're going to be using this cactus juice. It's stabilizing resin. What we need to do, put it in a jar, put something on it that'll hold it down once we submerge it, and then make sure it's completely submerged in cactus juice. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in the pressure pot, and we're going to put it in the vacuum pot. Why do I always say pressure pot? I think I secretly want a pressure pot. Okay, so I know I secretly want a pressure pot. Alright, now we let that sit for twice the time it was in the pot. So we'll be in there for about 40-50 minutes. Throw that in the oven.
Three hours later.
Now that we have our wood stabilized and ready to actually use, we need to have a coin ring to put them on. That is going to be this coin. All right, let's get to it. Looks good. kept a taper on this one on purpose, and what I'm going to try to do is get the inside to be nice and even, same size all the way through. In order to do that, I'm going to have that taper on the outside. Since we're going to be cutting the outside off with a lathe, it won't matter if there's a taper on the outside. And that's our next step. We'll throw it on the lathe, get the face cut down, and then get the wood ready to go on. Look at that. Now what we need to do with these guys is add some
glow powder?
No. So what we need to do now is add some
green glow powder?
No, still not glow powder. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is adding some
pound of green glow powder?
No! Glow powder. No glow powder. We're not adding glow powder. What we're going to be adding is some medium flex CA adhesive. But before we do that, we'll just rough up the surface a little bit with a little bit of sandpaper. So here is what we have so far. It's pretty much finished. We just have to do the inside now. We'll be deburring both sides of the inside and then sanding it and antiquing the inside, and then we should be good to go. Alright, this ring's finished. These materials were just a lot of fun to work with. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. It's going to be kind of like the last one I did with Andrew Barry. And the way this giveaway is going to work is you have to be subscribed to my channel and to Patrick Adair's channel. And then you have to get him to pick the winner. He doesn't know about this, obviously, and he doesn't know me either. And the winner gets to pick any ring from my website with the exception of the gold ones. Let's see, someone might be getting an awesome Christmas gift this year. We will see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my website, Changeyoucanwear.net, for the rings I make, and maybe to pick out the ring that you're going to be getting. And I'll catch you next time.